Hey there, my name is Chris, and for the Trifecta Hackathon, I put together an app called Singlefact. Now, today, proving facts about ourselves often requires exposing a lot more data than necessary. I don't know if anybody here has applied for a mortgage or anything like that, but often you have to print entire bank statements that show a bunch of transactions in addition to the fact that the bank cares the most about, which is like, what is your current balance, and does this buyer have enough funds to be able to do the transaction? So I wanted to see if I could put together an app that solves some of the pains of existing solutions to make ZK proofs more accessible and manageable through a web interface without actually exposing the document to verifiers that might just care about a single piece of information. Let me show you how this works. So right now you can connect your wallet and you should be on Sepolia. And once you're connected, you are able to create your own set of attestations that you can issue and send to different people you work with. So I've already created a couple here as examples, but I'll show adding an additional one. From the flow here, you can essentially attest to any fact that you're an authorized party to be able to attest to. So if you're a government agency, you're a consultancy, you can come in here and generate a new attestation from scratch. So I have a demo data here, but in practice, you could test to anything that you have a document for and upload a proof that you would generate on your machine. This would be the piece of information that is shared to the verifier that they can use through the app on their side to show that the piece of information is correct. So I have an example passport here, but this could be any document, like a bank statement, where you want to extract a single piece of information to share. So when you confirm this, there's a attestation transaction that's happening behind the scenes that's associating your metadata and your proof with a new attestation request. And so that's actually here on the right. I already made a demo one on the left, but you can customize it to your particular use case. And you get presented with a couple different actions. And this email gets verified by ZK email for certain content in the body and the structure of the sender to actually be from an authenticated source. And you don't want to use a Gmail in practice. You want to paste this into your work email and then send it to the third party. From the verifier side, when they visit that URL in the email, they'll see a page like this where they can download the email that they received and upload the proof to be able to validate the particular statement. And so I have the saved email here already ready to go, and I have the proof. As the verifier, I want to be able to demonstrate that both the email is valid, which it is, and the proof matches the expectation. So if I don't have the actual proof, I'm going to get an error. But using the actual proof and verifying it with the email, I can reveal the statement, the original statement that was made by the attester, and now I have evidence that both the sender was authentic and the proof generated matches what was expected on the blockchain. And note down here, the smart contract is also linked, so you can see all those transactions that were coming through, whether it was a new attestation being created or a attestation being checked for validity. Lastly, the code is available on my GitHub. I encourage you to check it out and try it at that original URL. But that's pretty much a single fact project, and thanks for your time.